Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of delicious cooking. Yes, this is a very simple noodles, also known as Indomie. Yes, in Nigeria we call this Indomie. Yes guys, so stay tuned. I will show you guys how you can make this in no time. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and jump right into this recipe. Here I have my skillet pot and I added some vegetable oil. Use any vegetable oil of your choice, it doesn't matter. So once the vegetable oil warms up, I'll go ahead and add my onions, chopped onions. And I give that a couple of stir until the onions is a little bit sauteed. I'll go ahead and add my chopped up tomatoes. And I'll go ahead and stir that up as well and have it steam for like 45 seconds to 1 minute. Then I'll go ahead and add my grated ginger. And I'll also add my grated garlic. Then I mix that up together and let it steam for 30 seconds. Then this is my rosemary leaf, fresh rosemary that I just got from my garden. Yes, so I'll add that up. So each time I add anything, just give it a little stir for like 5 seconds. And here is my shrimp. So this is already cooked shrimp, so but it was in my freezer, it was frozen, so I just brought it out and I put that in and go ahead and toss that around until it's well, you know, all the ice is out. So this is my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using a large, but I'm using half of the large. So I'll show you guys what I'll be doing with the remaining half later. And I'll be adding some curry powder. And I'm using chicken masala. And I'll add some salt to taste. And then I'll add some thyme leaf. Then I'm adding chicken flavor bouillon. And that's my seasoning. I'll go ahead and stir everything up. Feel free to use your own favorite seasoning, okay? So I was kind of stirring that and I saw that brown look on that shrimp. It was so amazing. So I'll go ahead and cover that up and let it steam for like about a minute. While that is steaming, so I have my noodles, which is the Indomie. I'll go ahead and I'm using 4. Yes, I'm using 4 today. You can use 1, you can use 2, you can use more than I'm using. So it depends on how many people you're making the noodles for. So back here, I have my tomato powder that I made. So the recipe for this tomato powder is coming up soon. You don't want to check that out. So guys, please, if this is your first time on this channel and you haven't subscribed, could you please click on the subscription button and turn the notification bell on as well. So I'll be adding Titus sardine. You can use any fish, canned fish, regular mackerel, whatever thing you want to use, just feel free to add that, but I'm using the Titus sardine for today. So if you have that as well, you can go ahead and join me and use that too. So I'll add that in and I'll just go ahead and stir that up. So after that, I'll just cover that up to let it steam. So go back and check on the noodles. So we'll be going back and forth, yeah. So check the noodle and it's well, like it's no longer the way it was. So it has dissolved right now. Go ahead and use my strainer to drain the water out because we don't need the excess water. So after that, we'll go back to the sauce. So this sauce will really be good to have some fried like white rice. I'm kind of dreaming out. I'm actually dreaming about white rice right now. with that sauce. So guys, let's not get off track. So just go ahead and add the noodles, and I needed a little bit of water, so I used my Title sardine container. Just use that to rinse every single thing out of that, then I pour that in and stir everything up. You don't want to be wasteful in the kitchen, right? So you want to get every single thing out. So once everything is combined, it's almost done, but one final touch. So I'll go ahead and sprinkle in some spring onions. Yes, spring onions, also known as green onions. So after adding that up, I just stir them together. So once they are well combined, I'll just cover that up and let it steam for like 30 seconds. It's done. You don't want to overcook this. So it's completely done. And it's time for me to have a taste. Whenever you cook, you have to give it a taste. Now you have to go zilla the thing, So I'll go ahead and dish some out for myself. Look at that, looking so nice, right? So I need extra protein. I know the sardine is protein, but I need extra protein, so I'll be adding 2 eggs. And this is the half of the Scotch bonnet pepper that I left. I told you guys I was using full, like 1 big Scotch bonnet pepper, but I used half. So I'm using the remaining half to garnish my own food because I did not add all of it because of my kids. So I don't want anybody crying, it's too peppery, it's too hot, it's too spicy. So I decided to add it to mine because I love spice. Yeah, I love spice a lot. So guys, this is a very simple, delicious way you can put your noodles together. And look at that brown color. Did you see that? That was like the bottom of the pot, when you cook. So the bottom of the pot looks a little bit dry. Yeah, tastes amazing. All right guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, quick recipe today for these noodles. I hope you give it a try, and thank you all for watching. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click on the subscription button, turn the notification bell on, and give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you all on my next video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for your support. I do appreciate that. See you all next time. Bye bye. Stay blessed.